Everyday 10-minute English expression listening practice.
I hate spinach.
I hate spinach.
I hate crowds.
I hate crowds.
I hate that song.
I hate that song.
I hate this weather.
I hate this weather.
I wish you luck.
I wish you luck.
I wish you every success.
I wish you every success.
I wish you all the happiness in the world.
I wish you all the happiness in the world.
I wish you all the best.
I wish you all the best.
I guess you're right.
I guess you're right.
I guess it is okay.
I guess it is okay.
I guess it would be all right.
I guess it would be all right.
I guess it doesn't matter.
I guess it doesn't matter.
May I sit here?
May I sit here?
May I help you?
May I help you?
May I speak to Larry, please?
May I speak to Larry, please?
May I have another piece of pie?
May I have another piece of pie?
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm glad to be here.
I'm glad to be here.
I'm glad to meet you.
I'm glad to meet you.
I'm glad to see you're all right.
I'm glad to see you're all right.
I heard you're moving.
I heard you're moving.
I heard you won.
I heard you won.
I heard Jim got the promotion.
I heard Jim got the promotion.
I heard Kate and Richard are getting married.
I heard Kate and Richard are getting married.
I'm afraid of flying.
I'm afraid of flying.
I'm afraid of the dark.
I'm afraid of the dark.
I'm afraid of height.
I'm afraid of height.
I'm not afraid of him.
I'm not afraid of him.
Shall I open the window?
Shall I open the window?
Shall I get the door?
Shall I get the door?
Shall I answer the phone?
Shall I answer the phone?
Shall I take a message?
Shall I take a message?
This is our pen, isn't it?
This is our pen, isn't it?
You're a student, aren't you?
You're a student, aren't you?
We're next, aren't we?
We're next, aren't we?
She's from Canada, isn't she?
She's from Canada, isn't she?
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Please accept my apology.
Please accept my apology.
Please come with me.
Please come with me.
Please don't tell anyone.
Please don't tell anyone.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Be reasonable.
Be reasonable.
Be practical.
Be practical.
Because I like it.
Because I like it.
Because it's Sunday.
Because it's Sunday.
Because it's required.
Because it's required.
Because that's just the way it is.
Because that's just the way it is.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Don't jump to conclusions.
Don't panic.
Don't panic.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Don't mention it.
Don't mention it.
You'd better hurry.
You'd better hurry.
You'd better watch out.
You'd better watch out.
You'd better apologize.
You'd better apologize.
You'd better be careful.
You'd better be careful.
You mustn't disturb her.
You mustn't disturb her.
You mustn't wake her up.
You mustn't wake her up.
You mustn't be late.
You mustn't be late.
You mustn't forget.
You mustn't forget.
You mean you didn't accept the offer?
You mean you didn't accept the offer?
You mean it's impossible?
You mean it's impossible?
You mean you're not going?
You mean you're not going?
You mean it's true?
You mean it's true?
I'd rather stay home tonight.
I'd rather stay home tonight.
I'd rather eat out.
I'd rather eat out.
I'd rather go bowling.
I'd rather go bowling.
I used to be a high school teacher.
I used to be a high school teacher.
I used to be a fan of hers.
I used to be a fan of hers.
I used to be a baseball player.
I used to be a baseball player.
There used to be a market on the comer.
There used to be a market on the comer.
It doesn't make any difference to me.
It doesn't make any difference to me.
It makes sense.
It makes sense.
It doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't make any sense.
It makes a good meal.
It makes a good meal.
Is it all right to use phone?
Is it all right to use phone?
Is it all right to let the cat out?
Is it all right to let the cat out?
Is it all right to mention it to Claire?
Is it all right to mention it to Claire?
Is it all right to use this glass?
Is it all right to use this glass?
That's what I was thinking.
That's what I was thinking.
That's what we have to do.
That's what we have to do.
That's what I was afraid of.
That's what I was afraid of.
That's what I call modern art.
That's what I call modern art.
There's nothing to do.
There's nothing to do.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
There's nothing to worry about.
There's nothing to worry about.
There's nothing to drink.
There's nothing to drink.
There's no way I'm going to finish it on time.
There's no way I'm going to finish it on time.
There's no way now that we'll get a reservation.
There's no way now that we'll get a reservation.
There's no chance that you'll be able to make it.
There's no chance that you'll be able to make it.
There's no possibility that you'll change your mind.
There's no possibility that you'll change your mind.